Old Joe's creak like a funeral drum. 100-year bones under plaster and dust. I don't fix for glory, I fix for trust. Red label fizz cold in my hand while the scraper sings across this land. Lead paint ghost in a paper mask. One more room, one more honest task. Grain wakes up when the stain goes black. Sweat and grit in a narrow stack. I'm not young, I'm not done, I'm just getting my workbench warm. Dr. Pepper and a dead-eyed grin. Late night sane in the basement den. Turpentine linseed, slow burn shine. Bring that dry old wood back to life. I take pride, I take time, I take the noise. Metal in my blood, but I build with poise. Hammer meets hard and the darkness sings in this house of mine. I repair it